Welcome back to Divyashree Techies. In today's video, we are going to learn something very simple but very important in English, that is list of collective nouns. In my previous video, I thought about parts of speech. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go and watch it first. It will help you understand today's topic even better. Let's discuss the definition of collective nouns. The collective nouns are special words that describe a group of people, animals, places, birds, or things. In this video, I'll show you different categories of collective nouns that you can easily remember and use in your daily life. The first one is a crowd of people. Here, crowd is a collective noun. A swarm of ants or flies or bees. Here, swarm is the collective noun. A pack of wolves. Pack is the collective noun. A bunch of keys or flowers or grapes or bananas. Bunch is the collective noun. A clump of trees. Clump is the collective noun. A herd of cows. Herd is a collective noun. A shoal of fish. Shoal is the collective noun. A band of musicians. Band is the collective noun. A gang of thieves. Gang is a collective noun. A team of players. Team is the collective noun. A choir of singers. Choir is the collective noun. A jury of judges. Jury is the collective noun. A row of books. Row is the collective noun. These are the collective nouns list. Please learn and use in your daily English. So, thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my channel Divyashree Techies.